So what do you mean by bloat?
You'll see it when I get it out. It's separating.
Oh, well, that's definitely not a good thing.
No, it is not. Wish there was some way I could lay down here.
Theoretically you can, but
no,
it's not the easiest of opportunities.
Oh shit.
What?
I need my daggum wire strippers and I need some wire nuts.
Okay, I'll run out there and get those.
The wire.
So, hoping it's just the solenoid.
Mm-hmm.
You got the solenoid?
Mm-hmm, it's already in there.
The old one?
I'll get it off in a minute.
Okay. Damn.
You see it, don't you?
Yeah. I'll give them a good view in a minute.
Take a picture of that one.
I don't think I'm gonna have to. Like, good Lord, it didn't just start blowing.
Ow! Turn that off.
I heard that.
Yeah, I did too. I felt it too a little bit.
Is it off?
I don't know.
I mean, I turned the thing off.
Okay. It wasn't much of a shot, but it was a
It told you there was electric there.
It was a startle.
It told you it's ready to get you. Warning, Chuck. Yeah, I heard that bzzz up here.
I know, that was the valve. It wouldn't even do that earlier.
Nope. Good God, this thing's hot too. So there's the difference right there.
It tried to separate.
Yeah, what gave you that idea? God, that dang thing's hot.
A little bit.
Started to burn itself up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, well. Then after this, it's just on to fixing some of the leaks here.
Yeah, 2 leaks.
Yeah. Yep. Cool. Hey, turn it back on for a sec.
What? I was going to turn it on over.
Oh, okay. It's fine.
Oh, you going to make me do it?
Yeah, get to work, boss.
Yeah,
Just don't blow me up.
You ain't earned your record yet.
Is that why you aimed your orbital cannon at me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that makes sense. One down. There's something going on right in here. Ow. Oh yeah. That's a decent sized one. Okay, this is a freaking hill. That's gonna need some fixing. If you cut it off, I'll check it out. This is not a fun hill to climb. He should be over there. Ugh. That's gonna be an interesting one to get to.
Got a couple. They cut it, right?
I need a shovel.
Shovel.
There we go, everybody. Thanks for watching. That's another place tackled. Stay safe, everybody.